All right, guys, we're going to talk a little bit more in detail about step 6 for the Lab 6 Design Process Lab. So for step 6, you are presenting your solution, which means we need to create some sort of advertisement that displays your product. Okay, so there are 3 minimum requirements that have to be in your advertisement. Okay, you have to have a picture of your furniture. Your step 3 sketch that you spent time drawing is the perfect item to use as the picture in your advertisement. You need to have the name of the store or the logo of the store that will sell your item. And then you want to have how much it costs. There's other things you can include in your advertisement, but those are the 3 minimum things that you can put in there. So if you look at the 2 examples on the right side of the screen, you'll see the McDonald's one. We see a picture of the product. Okay, so that's most important. We see the McDonald's logo down in the bottom right corner, and then we see that the price is 2 for $3.33. Okay. They also went so far as to put the name of the product on there. So if you want to give your product a name, that's another thing that you could put in there. Looking at the one in the bottom right-hand corner, the IKEA, we can see the picture of the table. We can see the IKEA store name in the bottom right corner. And then we can also see the price of the product. Okay. Other things that you could include, if there's different color options, you might say comes in, 7 different colors, or if it comes in different styles. If your couch or chair or piece of furniture is able to be rearranged, you can actually include that and say that on your advertisement. It would take up a smaller area, but you would want to make sure that you have, that in there. It's something extra to try to sell your piece. If you include items in your picture that are not part of your furniture, you want to make sure you include a statement or something that says what might be sold separately. Okay, so look at the IKEA one. That table has books on the bottom. Now, those books are not included. It would have been wise to actually include something that says something in with regards to books not included, or items on the table not included. Okay. You get to use any app of your choice to create your product, and there's going to be a wide variety of ones you can use. So you can do, if you use Google Slides, you get 1 slide only. Keynote, same thing, you would get 1 slide. If you're going to use Notability, you get 1 whole page, and you can turn the page whichever orientation fits yours the best. So here are some examples. So again, we see the product right in the center. We see the store, we see the cost, and then they included some extra stuff. They included the name of it, the age that would be appropriate for that item. Again, here's another one. We see they used their sketch. They have the name of the product. They have a sale that goes until March 15th, so we can see how long it's going to be on sale. Okay, and then it has at the bottom, only available at IKEA. Again, the next one here, we've got a picture of what they created. This student spent a lot of time building and creating their product for step 4, so they chose to include that picture instead of their sketch. That also is possible. If you have spent a lot of time personalizing and creating your actual artifact, then you could include that for your picture instead. Okay, but if not, we're going to go back to that step 3 sketch to include. Okay, again, this one here, they've got lots of other things added in there. Great sketch. They've got some things to try to pull you in. So it says great for sleepovers, ages 8 and up. So it's got lots of different pieces in there, but it still has the 3 requirements: the price, the picture of the item, and the store it's sold at. Again, next one here. This one takes a step further and actually can show you the color options. Notice it says the stores, and they give more than 1 to try to make a wider variety of customers. Okay, so we've got that's on there, but the one piece missing from this that we definitely see is how much it costs. These are great looking chairs, but we do need to have that on there. So that would be something I would have suggested for that student to add. Okay, notice their extra inclusions though: comfortable, customizable, lightweight. So they were very short in what they chose to include as extra pieces that might possibly pull in the buyer to get their product. Okay. So again, we are just beginning step 6 today. You want to very much take your time on this, and we will finish the rest of it in class tomorrow.